So I've got three examples here. One of them is in excellent condition. This one here, bought for £15 only. That included the postage. So a great example. GSM 900, 1800 and 1900. It had GPRS but no edge. It was announced in Q3 2003. Dimensions were 90 by 48 by 28, 110 grams, and of course it used the usual mini SIM. $65,000 colours, resolution 128 by 160. Didn't have a card slot, but did have 500 by 8 fields for the phone book. So the ringtones back in the day, 17 years ago in fact. They had 1.5 meg internal storage. Didn't have any loudspeakers, no jack. As I said, it had Bluetooth and an infrared port. Standby time up to 200 hours, talk time was 6 hours. So a well presented mobile phone, Clam mobile phone. Back in the day, 2003, average house price in the UK was just over £81,000. The average salary was around £18,500. Having trouble focusing the camera at that point. Average car price was £13,250, and the average price of a litre of fuel was 81 pence, which is £1.19 in today's money. And the average shop price of a grocery shop was £10.75, which is £15.81 today. Lots going on in the news as well. In 2003, Human Genome Project is completed during April. We managed to map 99% of the human genome. It was also the year of the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster on February the 1st. If you're interested in football in the UK, or soccer as they call it in the United States, Ronaldo made his Manchester United debut. 2003 was also the final year of the last Concorde flight. It took place in November. And apparently the oldest exoplanet was found at that time by NASA. And the European Space Agency launches the Smart 1. Smart meaning small missions, advanced research in technology. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you'd like more videos. Thanks again for watching.